What if the most powerful man in the world took on the most untouchable figure in finance? It's not just a hypothetical. It's the reality of Donald Trump's 2024 return to the Oval Office. Trump's long-standing feud with Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is reaching its breaking point, and if Trump follows through on his plan to fire Powell, the financial world will be thrown into chaos. But here's the twist. Where others see risk, you can see opportunity. Today, we're diving into how you can profit from this high-stakes showdown. Stick around because the payoff at the end of this video might just change your financial future. Donald Trump has never been one to back down from a fight, and Jerome Powell may be his most high-profile target yet. Trump appointed Powell as Fed chair in 2017, but their relationship soured quickly as the two clashed over monetary policy. While Trump pushed for lower interest rates to stimulate growth, Powell insisted on raising rates to combat inflation. The tension was so high that Trump once said, "I have the right to remove him." Fast forward to 2025, and Trump's rhetoric has escalated. Powell, for his part, has publicly declared that Trump can't fire him, a bold statement that could provoke Trump even further. If Trump acts, it would set a precedent that shakes the foundation of America's financial system. The markets would be rocked, and uncertainty would ripple across the globe. But here's the twist. Chaos creates opportunity. If you know how to read the signs and position yourself correctly, this showdown could be your chance to profit while everyone else panics. The firing of the Fed chair isn't just political drama, it's a financial earthquake. Will this move destabilize the economy, or could it open the door to massive gains for savvy investors? Stay with us, because we're about to break it all down. If Powell is fired, the first thing to expect is market volatility. Investors thrive on stability, and a shakeup at the Federal Reserve could send shockwaves through every sector. Here's what might happen. Stocks could plunge. Markets hate uncertainty, and a dramatic move like this could trigger sell-offs, especially in interest rate-sensitive sectors like financials and tech. Bonds could drop. As investors scramble to predict the Fed's next move, bond prices might fall, leading to a surge in yields. The dollar could weaken. A shakeup at the Fed might cause global investors to lose confidence in the US dollar, impacting currency markets worldwide. While these shifts might sound alarming, they also create golden opportunities for those who are prepared. The key is understanding where to look and acting decisively when the moment comes. Volatility is coming, but with the right strategy, you can turn it into your advantage. Keep watching, because we're about to reveal the assets and sectors that could skyrocket during this turmoil. When markets get rough, smart investors seek refuge in safe haven assets. These are investments that hold their value or even gain during uncertain times. Here's what to consider. Gold and precious metals. History has proven that gold thrives in times of economic and political turmoil. With uncertainty surrounding the Fed, gold could see a massive rally. Cryptocurrency. Digital assets like Bitcoin are increasingly seen as a hedge against traditional financial systems. A weakened dollar could send crypto prices soaring. Defensive stocks. Companies that provide essential goods and services, think healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples, are less affected by market fluctuations. These stocks can provide stability and steady returns. Positioning yourself in these assets can protect your wealth while giving you a chance to capitalize on the chaos surrounding Trump and Powell. Safe havens are a good start, but the biggest profits often come from taking calculated risks. Could the next big opportunity lie in real estate, growth stocks, or global markets? Stay tuned, because the answer might surprise you. One of Trump's key economic goals is to lower interest rates, a move that could unlock massive opportunities in the real estate market. If Powell is fired and Trump appoints a more growth-focused Fed chair, rates could drop significantly. Here's how you can profit. Residential real estate. Lower mortgage rates mean cheaper borrowing costs, making this an ideal time to invest in property. Commercial real estate. Businesses could take advantage of lower rates to expand, driving demand for office spaces, warehouses, and retail locations. Real Estate Investment Trusts, REITs. These funds offer a way to invest in real estate without owning property directly, often providing steady dividends and strong returns. By getting into real estate early, you can ride the wave of Trump's monetary policy and build long-term wealth. Real estate could offer huge opportunities in Trump's economy. But what about the stock market? Are there hidden gems waiting to be discovered? Keep watching, because the next segment is all about growth. Lower interest rates aren't just good for real estate, they're a boon for growth stocks. Companies that thrive on cheap borrowing can use the extra capital to expand, innovate, and drive their stock prices higher. Here are the sectors to watch. Technology. Tech companies rely heavily on borrowing to fund research and development. Lower rates could lead to a surge in innovation and profitability. Consumer discretionary. With more disposable income and cheaper credit, consumers are likely to spend more, benefiting companies in this sector. Infrastructure. Trump's infrastructure spending plans could create a windfall for construction companies, materials suppliers, and engineering firms. By investing in these sectors early, you can position yourself for significant gains as Trump's economic policies take effect. Growth stocks could lead the charge in Trump's economy, but there's one more piece of the puzzle: the global markets. Could international investments hold the key to even bigger profits? Stick around to find out. If Powell's firing weakens the dollar, it could create opportunities in global markets. A weaker dollar makes U.S. exports more competitive and boosts the value of foreign investments. Here's how to capitalize. Export-oriented stocks. Look for American companies that generate significant revenue overseas. Foreign markets. Emerging economies often thrive when the dollar weakens, making them attractive for investment. Commodities. Oil, agriculture, and other commodities often rise in value when the dollar falls, providing another avenue for profit. By diversifying your portfolio with international assets, you can hedge against domestic volatility and tap into global growth opportunities. The U.S. isn't the only place to profit. Global markets could offer even bigger rewards. But to unlock the full potential of Trump's economy, you'll need a strategy that ties it all together. Trump's battle with the Fed is more than a political showdown. It's a financial revolution. Whether it's safe havens, real estate, growth stocks, or global markets, the opportunities are there for those who are ready to seize them. So, what's your game plan? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Revenue Racers. We're here to guide you through the chaos and help you turn uncertainty into opportunity. Because in Trump's economy, fortune favors the bold.